Understanding and using "I appreciate it" in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a common and heartfelt phrase in the English language: I appreciate it. Understanding when and how to use this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you express gratitude more effectively. The phrase, "I appreciate it," is used to express gratitude or thankfulness. When you say you appreciate something, you're acknowledging its value or importance to you. This phrase is often used in response to someone's helpful actions, kind words, or when receiving a gift. It's more formal than just saying, "Thanks," but it's still appropriate in casual conversations. While "I appreciate it" is straightforward, the phrase can vary slightly depending on the context. "I really appreciate it," or "I greatly appreciate it," adds emphasis to show that you're truly grateful. "I appreciate your help, time, effort," specifies what you're thankful for, making your statement more personal and direct. It's important to match the phrase with the context. For example, in a formal email, you might say, "I greatly appreciate your prompt response." In a casual setting, a simple, "I appreciate it," will suffice. Even though we're avoiding phonetic transcriptions, here are a couple of tips to pronounce "I appreciate it" clearly. 1. Pronounce each syllable distinctly in appreciate, but feel free to blend the last T in appreciate with it when speaking quickly. 2. Practice the rhythm of the phrase. English is a stress-timed language, and getting the stress pattern right can make your speech sound more natural. Let's see how to incorporate "I appreciate it" in everyday conversations. 1. After receiving help. "Thank you for your guidance on this project. I really appreciate it." 2. In response to a compliment. "That's so kind of you to say. I appreciate it." 3. When someone offers you a favor, "If you could send me the details by email, I'd appreciate it." Remember, the tone of your voice also conveys gratitude, so ensure your tone matches your words. In conclusion, "I appreciate it" is a versatile phrase for expressing gratitude in both formal and informal settings. Understanding its usage, variations, and context can add depth to your communication skills. We hope you found this video helpful and that you feel more confident in expressing your appreciation in English. Keep practicing, and we appreciate your effort in learning with us.